It is rare for home appliances and systems to have a true lifetime warranty that covers the entire lifespan of the product. However, there are certain components or parts of appliances and systems that may come with extended warranties or coverage. Here are a few examples. 1. Some HVAC systems may come with lifetime warranties on specific components, such as heat exchangers or compressor units. 2. Water heaters may have lifetime warranties on the tank, while other components like heating elements or thermostats may have shorter warranty periods. 3. Certain kitchen appliances, such as high-end refrigerators or ranges, may offer longer warranties on specific parts, such as the compressor in a refrigerator or the burners in a range. 4. Plumbing fixtures like faucets or toilets may have lifetime warranties on certain parts, such as the cartridge or the tank components. 5. Windows and doors from reputable manufacturers may have lifetime warranties on aspects like the frame or the glass. It's important to note that the specific warranty terms and coverage can vary significantly among different brands, models, and manufacturers. Additionally, the lifetime warranty may be limited to the original purchaser or may have conditions that need to be met, such as regular maintenance or professional installation. When purchasing appliances or systems, it's recommended to carefully review the warranty information provided by the manufacturer. Pay attention to the specific components or parts covered, the duration of coverage, any limitations or exclusions, and the process for filing a warranty claim. It's also worth noting that extended warranties or service plans offered by retailers or third-party providers may provide additional coverage beyond the manufacturer's warranty. These plans often come at an extra cost and can extend the warranty period or provide more comprehensive coverage. However, it's important to evaluate the costs, terms, and benefits of such plans before deciding whether they are worthwhile for your specific needs.